Now, today's lesson is how to kind of manage files in Office 365. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our OneDrive, and we're going to click on OneDrive like so, and you're going to notice that there is nothing in here because I'm doing this just as a student. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here where it says new, and I'm going to make a new folder. Now, to organize your stuff in Office 365, you need to make sense. So I'm going to put in my 4 periods. So period 1 is DI. I'm going to create that folder. Okay, notice it's there. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to make another folder, and I'm going to call it period 2 tech. Okay, and I'm going to make another folder in here for, you guessed it, period 3 TM2. And I am going to create a 4th folder for my period 4. Okay, so now I have 4 folders in my OneDrive. Okay, now how do I save stuff into my folder? Well, let's come back over here and let's go to Word. And I'm going to make a new blank document. And I'm going to call this period 1 Joe student. And I'm going to call this assignment 1 OneDrive is cool. Okay, once I do that, now I want to save it into my OneDrive. So I'm going to click Save As, and I'm going to save a line online. Okay, but I'm going to rename it. Okay, I'm going to call this okay, and I'm going to take a look at this, and I'm going to save it in, drag it into period 1 test. Okay, now it's file organized. Okay, I could go ahead and close this like so, come back here to my Office 365, go to my OneDrive, there's my Word document. Now, there's another real cool part to this that I'm going to show you briefly. If I come back to my folder here, now here I am, Joe student, and I'm in my digital immigrants. In my class, I can come down here to Office 365. Oh, look. I can actually get to it from my canvas. Same thing. So, this is kind of pretty cool stuff. It makes it easier to hand things in also. Okay, and that's it